I'm last.
Good.
Oh wait, I don't see the settings. There's supposed to be like a little.
Good.
Little like. Oh well.
Good. I'm doing it. I'm recording. Haha. I know I'm coming. The recording is not working. I'm coming. Momento, I'm doing everything. No, you dumb asshole. If you do something, I will chop your head off.
Hello.
Don't tanaw on him, bro.
有的哪有啊？
Wow.
Yes. Sama and the little butterfly. It's Sama!
Face me. I want to start the video with your face.
What's wrong with your?
What? Hi.
So I want to start the video with your face. Stand the fuck still. I'm the only normal one.
But you're not normal either. You're not normal.
Oh,
Sorry, can you start it now?
okay.
ตัวไหนล่ะตัวไหนตัวไหน
Slicer.
I'm the only normal one here, guys.
Pink, you're not normal. What the fuck? Hey, Michael Jackson. Hello. By the way, YouTube, look at my lanterns. I'm so rich.
How do you do?
Look.
YouTube หมายถึง
We're gonna get canceled.
We are not.
Cancelled, Lancel. Konichi.
Cancelled.
Oh, YouTube is gonna cancel me for not turning on my volume. What the fuck? Stop! No more. No more. We're gonna get canceled by YouTube.
Dropping this fucking one.
No, don't judge anyone for singing fancy.
Oh my god.
Slay Soul Sister. Wait, stay here before we go. I'm gonna be eventually showing you everyone YouTube. Stop! Stop! So this is stop! What the fuck? I don't care. Anyway, so this is Wheezeeballz, aka Bobby. Bomi, don't fucking come back. Oh well, who cares? I'm interviewing Pink first. Oh yeah, oh, who cares? Anyway, this is Ezeeballz, aka Ballz. And Sneezeballz, Brob, and I am Bahab. You can't see me, but who the fuck cares? I'm Bahab, aka Cheezeeballz. I am the most amazing.
I look good looking. I look beautiful.
I love.
This is what up shit fuck who ass.
No, this is our normal live swearing.
I was like, holy fuck happened.
My little pony, my little pony.
Oh, come on.
I'm not gonna fuck off. Okay, that sounds so wrong. Stop looking at me!
Come on, Sid.
We both have the balls to do this.
Yeah. Where is he?
I don't see him at all.
Oh, he's going to the house.
Fuck!
Pink.
Pomino, stop! Oh, that's Pink, okay.
How dare you!
Pomino, where the fuck is he?
She's still going to the house.
Stop, Pink! I'm doing everything, you bitch asshole! Get your butt back here!
I have the balls to do it.
No, you
He's
hold
going to the kid.
Stupid ass shit balls! How dare you! Stop, you hoe! What the fuck? I'm doing the Mihari part. It's zooming out! 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 El mapa! It's zooming out!
It's still going on.
No, it isn't.
Guys, where am I supposed to go?
Yeah, don't go anywhere. I ain't gonna tell you.
I got the fucking blade.
I am not gonna tell you. I'm coming there myself.
Yeah, it's coming near me. Oh my head.
This was not the right decision to do this.
I got you.
Pink, don't stay there. You're gonna die. What the actual fuck? Pink, he's gonna kill you. He's gonna fucking kill you. You fucking bitch! You piece of shit! I told you to not go there. That's why I was zooming in.
When you do something,
You have stolen my heart. Oh yeah. Never let it go. Oh oh. No, never let it go. Oh oh oh. Lightning straight to my heart. Oh yeah. I got other feels for I made it. Look at that blade. Slay soul sister. As you see.
That was so small.
Okay, anyway, where's that bitch? Oh, that bitch is coming here.
okay, follow me. Go!
I know Lee.
I'm gonna run to the cave because why not?
Amelie, is it zooming out?
Why did I hit just hear a snore?
What the fuck?
Yeah?
I don't know.
What do you
about
mean?
but
What do you
I
mean, bitch?
ate too many times.
What happened? Amelie? What the fuck? What happened? What the fuck? What happened?
I'm the water like this. Look at me. Look at me. You came to me like.
Help my poor soul.
Wait, I thought my screen zoomed out.
Hey.
It didn't zoom out. Oh my god, he's right there. He's at the cave, he's going back.
Nah, no. I'm gonna wait for him to go back again and I'll follow him.
I literally screamed so fucking loud for no reason.
Yeah. Hey, Joe, Michael Jackson. Okay, he actually went away.
You guys are having so much fun, huh? Yeah. I'm fucking dead.
What do you mean? Excuse me. What the fuck, Pink? You hoe. I'm struggling. I was about to die when I was zooming out, and then now I'm doing this again. You bitch asshole ass.
You're fucking ugly. Yeah, I love you, ugly.
Snow White and the Beauty. Y'all, I died. JK.
You are. Hey, don't talk about those.
I know. What the fuck? My eyes.
What in my eyes?
What did you just say?
I said I go.
The fuck? Okay. Slay soul sister.
I just saw Bobby on drop.
Slay soul sister. Slay my sister, Mister.
Make it out!
What the fuck? Slay soul sister. Slay my sister, Mister.
I cannot anymore.
Beautiful. Do you guys know I'm recording this shit right now? I'm posting this on YouTube.
I know you did.
Anyway.
Oh, Kaya, please. I beg you. Thank you. Let me climb the tree.
Let me climb the tree. Look at this little hole.
Funny. It's so funny. I'm gonna die.
Where are you anyway?
Here.
Are you done?
The door.
Lightning straight to my heart. Oh, yeah.
We're going.
Going. Long, okay? Do you want my bone hair to catch you?
Stop, no. Anywhere.
Loading, please wait. Did you see the remote?